Good evening, guys. All things prop family. This is Ms. Doris again with a quick tutorial on how to make a quick outro for your videos. Everyone asks me, who did my outro? That was done on Fiverr. This guy did it for me. But if you are just starting out and you just want something at the end of your videos, this is how you can do it from Canva. You can also make it from CapCut, but the ones that I made for some other people, for Will, simple, just to have it in the videos, this is where I made it from right here. So let me teach you how to do it, okay? First, here is the Canva screen. Is when you first go to Canva, this is what you see. And all you have to do, go to search and type in outro templates, which is right here. Next thing I'm going to tell you, make sure that everything that you want to put on this outro, that you have already uploaded it, like your logo if you have one. If you don't have one, no problem. Any picture you want, any photo or whatever else you want to put here, make sure it's already been uploaded into Canva. Don't start and don't have. That means you have to stop, go upload, and then come back again. So once you put in outro templates, this is what you get. Remember, you want vertical outro, not horizontal. These right here are all horizontal. So you need to scroll until you see one that is vertical and is pleasing to your eye, or whatever graphics you want in it, bling you want in it, is what you want to see in your outro. So you scroll up. Okay, this is vertical right here. Remember, you're looking for vertical, not horizontal. Here's one that you can use. Here's one right here also. But I want to choose this one right here. Let me try this one. Now, once you click that, once you click it, you can click play up here. See, play, and see what all it does. Play it and see if you like it. Whoa, this one has drama. So I think we're going to use this one. Let's try it and see, okay? If it works, fine. Now that you have seen what it does, you close it. I closed it. Now, you see all these things here, you can take out. All this, you can take out. All this, you can take out. But don't take them out yet until you put your stuff on it. So what you can do, you can move this here down, move this down, move this down, move this down. Because you're probably not going to use that. So you go over here on the side. I already have my logo in here. So I'm going to go find my logo. I'm going to click upload. Then I'm going to start strolling up. And as you scroll up, you need to wait, let the images come up, and then if you don't see what you want, you keep on going. Okay, here's my logo right here. See this? This is my logo. I'm going to click that. This was made from Fiverr. And this is for the 360. So I'm going to move this up just to know that I have it, that it be right there. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click text. I'm going to choose this one right here. And I'm going to type in my business number. Okay, I can use that like it is, or I can change the font. Okay, and I want to use this font called Breathing. So let me go over here to Canva Sans, click that, and breathing is right here. So let me click that and see what it's going to do. See? It changed that font, made it look a little bit better. And if I want to change the color, I can click the letter right here. And since my logo have orange and red in it, I can choose either red or I can choose orange. So let me choose this orange right here and see what's going to happen. Sometimes you do it the first time, it doesn't happen, go back and do it again. Okay, now it changed. You do it until it does what you wanted to do. Guess what? You are in control of this computer, not it in control of you. Okay? So that's done. Now I can move it up. And then I want to put, if you don't have a logo and you just want to put in a model or something that represents your business, you can put that. Right now I'm just going to put memories in motion. I'm going to do shift so I can get only the quotation. And then type in memories. In motion. Okay, so now I have memories in motion typed. I can make it smaller and just hold this and bring it and make it smaller. And then I can also change it to the same font as this number right here. So I click on Canva Sans. I find breathing right here. And then it changed. If I want to change the color, I do the same thing I did with the numbers. And again, sometimes you might click it once, it doesn't work. Try it again. Okay, now it changed. So now I can delete these things down here in the bottom because now I know I don't need them. I can delete all of this right here. Okay, so here I can bring this down. I can bring this down. And then I can bring this logo down. I can make it bigger. See here? I can make it bigger. Okay. I can even animate this number if I wanted to. Well, let me click play first and see what's going to happen. Okay. Now, nothing is moving in here, but I can also animate. Like I said, let's try it and see. Click that, click animate, and see. Let me click roll. Okay. And let me see if I can do the same thing to memories in motion. Click roll. Okay. So now let me play and see. There you go. See? Woo, look at that. So you have, let me go back and do that again. Click play. Okay, so here you have your outro. And guess what? You can even add music to this if you want to. But I'm not going to go through all of that right now. I just want to do something simple. Okay, so once you click that, you see down here. Now, this is 7 seconds. I don't like outro to be more than 5 seconds. Okay, so this, let's see if I click this right here. I can reduce this. Let me see how it's going to come out. If I reduce it to 5, I want to reduce it to 5. Okay. Okay. Now it's at 5. You see here? It went from 7 to 5. So let's see what happens once I made it into 5. Let's play. Okay. It came out great. Okay. It's still the same. So now here I have to show, I have my business number. Oh, I forgot to put the other quotation on the end here. So let me put it in. Shift. Put the other quotation in. And let's click play. Ooh, see that? So now you have your name, your logo, your phone number, and your motto, Memories in Motion. Let's close it. Bring this down. It's at 5 seconds. Voila. After you have made it, see, it's in my projects. So now I came back. I went to create design because it may not be in the size that you chose in LumaBooth. So now you create design, click create design and click custom size. Click 1080 by 1920, that's what I chose, right? And then now you go back into your projects. Here it is right here. Here it's your project right here. Put it in. Now it's in the size that you have in your LumaBooth. So you click play. It is still 5 seconds. You click play. See it? Okay. So now I can download this. Download. Send it to my business email to show and put outro 2 so I can know which one it is. And then I'm going to send it. It is gone. It's going to come to this phone right here. It's going to come to this phone. Save to downloads. So now it should be in my files. Let me go to, okay. Now look, I want you to look. Look at this size right here compared to that. You see this size right here? This was the original size. This is the size that's going to go in LumaBooth. So now let me go to Luma. In fact, let me even delete this. Delete. Delete it. Good. Okay, this thing be acting up, but you see it went in there, right? Okay, do a preview and see what it's going to look like at the end of the video. Y'all see that? The outro is in there. Okay. So, guys, I hope you understood what I did. Might be a whole lot of steps, but take your time and learn it. It's very easy until you are able to get a professional outro done. So this is the end of the tutorial. Any questions you have, you know, you can text me, inbox me, call me if you need to. All right? Thank you. Bye-bye.